Hello everyone, welcome back to the People channel. We are going to review the Oceanfront pool villa at Kimpton Kitalay Samui Resort. This is going to be the full tour including food and beverage. Please subscribe People channel for more hotel review. Thank you. Kimpton Kitalay is a new hotel opened since 2021. It was my second visit actually. What I like is the hotel vibe as well as the decoration style and a lot of activities to do. Last time I stayed at the standard room type and I did a review on YouTube, so I put the link below if you are interested in. The hotel is in Cheung Mon Beach area, which is just 15-minute drive from Samui Airport. The beach is okay, a lot of local restaurants along the beach and easy access to tourist attractions. My room today is number 805. I booked 1 king 1 bedroom Oceanfront pool villa. This room type you will get 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with an outdoor shower, living area indoor and outdoor, a private garden, a private pool, and the beach access. At the minibar, there is only water, tea, and coffee are complimented. The surprise will come later. As a platinum member, I have got 2 drinks vouchers. There are a welcome letter and a gift from the Kimpton secret password that you tell the staff when you check in. And actually I've got a bottle of sparkling wine at night, but I didn't film. Here is the private pool and the beach access to Cheung Mon Beach, just few steps. Here is the bathroom with a big bathtub. There are 2 rain showers, indoor and outdoor. The kit is from Horn brand with a signature scent, sea salt and patchouli. The social hour drinks are for everyone between 5 to 6 p.m. They serve wines, soft drinks with canapé. After social hours, I continued at the Spanish restaurant named Fish House. The restaurant is just next to the beach, so the reservation is recommended if you want beachside. And after that, I had a late night cocktails at the bar before sleep. Boho is the main restaurant for breakfast. They serve buffet which you can choose for a menu. Here is my dish from my 3-day stay. There is one big pool and 4 middle-sized pools plus the kid water park. There is a lot of beach activity and water sports are available such as kayak or board paddle. The gym is open 24/7. The size is not big but it's okay. Overall, it was my second time and I had again great experience here. Everything was great, place, services and breakfast. They are pet-friendly hotel but I didn't see many pets during my stay. If I have to comment, as there are a lot of activities to do, they are noisy and crowded at daytime, especially main pool. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.